Hey guys, what's up? It's Friday, April 17th. So today we got the orders from yesterday and today also. So right now we have about 17 items to go on our main eBay store. On our second store we have 4 orders, but I don't know if you can see pretty well. Just one from tonight. And on Amazon we got Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, we got 26 items. That's from tonight and from yesterday. So yesterday I ended up listing about 250 CDs, music CDs. And yeah, I don't have my shipping labels for my Dymo printer, so I'll probably have to print them out, the shipping labels. I'll probably have to print them, cut them, and tape them, which will take forever because I have about almost 50 items going out, and it's the weekend, so hopefully I'll get more sales, but who knows. So what I'm gonna do today is try to list more merchant fulfilled items, and also you can start sending stuff FBA again. So I have a lot of toys, so I might just collect all the toys that I have, and during the weekend I'll start packing and creating a shipment to FBA. So that's my plan for today. Okay guys, so I pulled everything, as you can see. So this is the game that sold on our second store. Sold for 4 games. 3 of them are packed already, and I'm gonna pack this. So those are the sale from our main store. We have 4 Funko Pops from the same movie. Actually, I never heard of this movie, The Emperor or something like that. So the thing with the Funko Pops is I went to a toy fair, and by the end of the toy fair, all the vendors, they need to pack and go. So that's a great time for resellers to get good deals because they don't want to pack those items. They just want to get rid of it. So I gave a guy an offer, and I didn't pay much for each one. And I got like 200 Funko Pops. So those sold for 50, 47, 45 or 50, something like that. We got token holders. We sold 3 for 2 packs of 3 for 30. We sold a new and sealed National Geographic DVD, Explore Your Mind. We sold the Craig 8-track player that we got from, you can check one of our sourcing videos. We got this. Sold a game that we also sold a long time ago. Sold this for $10. I'm sorry, this one sold for 88 and 20 shipping. This sold for $10. The steering wheel that I sold, somebody returned it, and I sold it again full price, 50 plus 20 shipping, or 10 shipping. Sold an expansion for a game, I don't know which one. Sold 2 books from a series of unfortunate events. Sold another single book, and sold 2 Star Wars expansion for X-Wing game for $40, both of them. This sold for $35. This I don't remember for how much. So that's it. I'm gonna pack those. I pulled yesterday's orders. I pulled them yesterday before I was leaving, and I need to pull what sold during the night. I'll pull it right now after I'm done packing and start packing everything. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I finished packing eBay orders. So I'm gonna go online and see if I can find any shipping labels close near me, and if I'll find something, I'll just go and pick it up, even though it's probably crazy expensive, but it will save me a lot of time. So I'll do that, and then if I won't be able to find anything, I'll just print everything, go fetch some more Amazon Merchant Fulfill orders, pack them, and I'll just ship everything today. I have to ship most of it today anyways, so that's what I'm gonna do next. So everything is packed for our first store, eBay. Yeah, that was interesting. I'm just you know, I need to cut every single piece and tape it, so it took me a while. So we got the second store right here packed, and we got another order for this thing. It's a probiotic shake. We got this from an estate sale. We paid nothing for it, and it sold for $47.95. This is, I think, the fifth one we sold already. So I'm gonna try and get shipping labels outside. I'm probably gonna go to the post office right now and try to ship those eBay orders, and then I'll see if I find any, because I have about 30 items for Amazon and I don't want to print more labels like that, but if I have no choice, so I'll probably have to do that. So I'll see what's going on. So I shipped everything I had for eBay, and now I'm just gonna go and pack my Amazon Merchant Fulfilled items and print the labels. It's already 11:30, so I mean I'm gonna spend most of the day doing just packing and shipping again. But what can you do? At least, you know, we're making money, we have orders coming in, so I can't complain, but I just wanna do more during the day, right? So that's what I'm gonna do next, so I'm gonna update once I'm done. So all the Amazon Merchant Fulfilled items are packed. You know, all are 27. And now I didn't find any shipping labels, so I have to print them in my regular printer and use tape to tape them and cut them to size. So it's gonna take a while, so that's what I'm gonna do next. So that was interesting. I didn't ship everything. I didn't print shipping labels for everything, just for the stuff that I had to ship by today. So this is it, just this box, and this little pile is gonna be shipped tomorrow. The shipping labels have arrived to my home, so I'm gonna just bring it tomorrow. And this is gonna be recycled. This is the pile of waste paper from printing shipping labels on my printer. So now I'm gonna try and list a few DVDs on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. I don't have anything to list on eBay today. I mean, I listed on eBay already, but I don't have any more inventory currently to take pictures of, even though I have those Department 56. I have the pile, the big pile, Department 56 that we got at the auction. So I'm gonna go and list a few more items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. It's gonna be the weekend, so I don't know if it makes any sense now, even though every day is weekend, but I'm gonna list some more items that I'll have more items online to be bought. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I organized some DVDs in order to list them, and I'll list them tomorrow. It's 3:30, and I'm gonna go home and cook for the weekend. So I just have one stop at the post office. I printed. It's called the shipment confirmation acceptance notice, which is just one barcode you need to scan, and it accepts all the packages in one scan instead of scanning them individually. You can do that if you bulk print your shipping labels on eBay, and also on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. If you just generate this form. So I'm gonna head home, and I'm gonna be here tomorrow. Also, I'm gonna list more items. I have the shelving units at home. I got everything delivered to my home because I'm not always in the warehouse, and it's usually closed and nobody else is here. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna list items on eBay, on Amazon, and I'm gonna build shelving units. So I'm gonna try to be full on with listing. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys. Stay safe.